Hi friends, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. Someone had requested a DIY or an idea to give to classmates. So here's what I came up with. I came up with a tic-tac-toe game that you can play with Christmas trees and snowman. And the best part is my daughter helped me with this project, so it's definitely kid friendly. So you can take this idea and actually use it as a craft, a Christmas craft for the children on Christmas Eve. And you know, I made this using all Dollar Tree items, so if you want to see how I made this, just keep on watching. For the tic-tac-toe frame, we're using this wooden crate that came in with like little small wooden shapes, the snowman and the Christmas trees. They're both wooden, of course. So first I'm going to take the wrapper off of here, and here's the barcode just in case you want to order it from online. I'm going to set all the little wooden shapes aside for another DIY. And now I'm going to take white and gray paint and I'm going to paint the frame. I did notice the little slots in the middle do come off, so go ahead and just pull them off and then go ahead and paint everything, and we'll put it all together afterwards. While that's drying, I'm going to take chestnut paint for the Christmas trees, the bottom of the Christmas trees, and I'm taking a tiny brush and I'm going to paint all the bottoms of the trees. And before I forget to mention, if you like videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, be sure to subscribe and click that bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're new here, welcome. It's great to have you here. Now be sure to subscribe and click that bell because I have really cool ideas coming up for you. Man, that was so fast. I felt like I was reading a fine print for my channel or something. Now for the Christmas tree, I'm going in with Mod Podge and green glitter. Make sure you just put a fine or like a thin layer of Mod Podge because you want to be able to still tell that it's a tree. You don't want it to be too clumpy. You want it to keep its shape, basically. Now I'm going in with that gray paint. You can skip this step, you don't have to, but I wanted to give it some farmhouse feel to it. So I'm taking like a rough brush and I am just brushing on some gray onto the frame. The best part about this project is that, you know those little goodie bags from Dollar Tree? They fit in there, so you don't have to buy any cello paper or cello wrap or anything. You can just buy those, and I think they come like 24 in a pack or something like that. I think so. But here's how it turned out, and I do have the 5th snowman onto the back of the frame. And yeah, I'm pleased with the way it turned out. I hope this helps, and if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you all next time. Oh, and I love you all. Bye.